Hello everyone. There is no one like a brother who supports you as a brother, take care of you like father, and always there for you like a friend. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day. It usually falls on a day in August. This year, Raksha Bandhan will be celebrated on Sunday. The bonding between a brother and a sister is simply unique and is beyond description in words. The relationship between siblings is extraordinary and is given importance in every part of the world. It is celebrated in India and other countries like Nepal to symbolize the love between brother and a sister. The festival made up of two words, namely Raksha and Bandhan. Raksha stands for protection. Bandhan signifies the verb to tie. Thus, Raksha Bandhan means the tie of protection. This festival symbolizes the eternal love of brother-sister relationship, which does not mean just the blood relationship only. It is also celebrated among cousin, sister, and sister-in-law and other such relations. Raksha Bandhan is a special Hindu festival dedicated to brothers and sisters' love. On this day, sisters tie a protection thread Rakhi to her brother's right hand wrist. It is not just to tie a thread, but she trusts and hopes that these hands will protect her from harms and troubles in her whole life, and pray for their brother's long life and happiness. All brothers also wait for Rakhi festival to offer Rakhi surprise return gifts and to see a cute smile on his sister's face. India is a land of festivals and people of incredible India emotionally connected with each other to celebrate their festivals. The Indian culture and festivals connects each family member because all family members celebrate festivals in group. Everyone eats sweets and celebrates with family on this special day. Raksha Bandhan, in other words, you can call it a promise ceremony between the siblings shared by a special thread. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is known to have originated centuries before, and there are several stories related to the celebration of this special festival. As per the Hindu mythology in Mahabharata, the great Indian epic, Lord Krishna was flying a kite and cut his finger. At that time, Draupadi, the wife of Pandavas, was so distressed to see him hurt that she tore a piece of cloth and tied it to his bleeding fingers. A bond that of brother and sister developed between them, and he promised to protect her in a time of need. When the Kaura was attempted to dishonor her with Krishna's blessings, Draupadi's sari became endless. This is how Sri Krishna saved Draupadi, like a brother protects a sister from all evils. In some places in medieval India where women felt unsafe, they tie Rakhi on the wrist of men, regarding them as brothers. In this way, Rakhi strengthens the bond of love between brothers and sisters and revives the emotional bonding. Being brother and sister means being there for each other. Brothers are playmates in the beginning and best friends for life. Rakhi is the thread that binds two souls in a bond of joy forever. There can be no better companion than a brother. There can be no better friend than a sister. Once again, happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you.